Unong yalam barangba jongka parti Kongres ubalong ru city president ka parti uba proses ti saukme uloong ba onam tre dalilei ru ban penyeso ilade baka parti TMC namar baka parti TMC kamdan ya kalawei haka jella kane ka parti ka supau menta tang sipor henry kan sajano hadien ka election. Uba proses uloong ru baki nongsong snong haka jella kamtam hakasi bat jaintia kenom a ya ka jingkershan ya kane ka parti hakane ka election ka bansawan.
So what I could see that TMC will take time to penetrate in the whole of the state. But the main important they have to show that they are sincere for the interest of the people, and also that main important they should focus more on development. But I could see that because we have been experienced working today, but our friends who have left the party, I don't see any future. There's no future with TMC. TMC now temporarily will become popular now for the embassy for the few months will become popular. After election, I didn't see that TMC again will be in the headline and hot news, because people will not vote for TMC this time, especially Khasi Jaintia. I'm not talking about the Garos. I don't know about the Garos, but while Khasi Jaintia is difficult for people to vote for the TMC.